When is software troubleshooting not enough to fix a problem? Have you ever faced a software issue that just wouldn't go away, no matter how much troubleshooting you did? It can be frustrating, right? Let's look at when troubleshooting might not be enough to fix a problem. First, sometimes the root cause of an issue lies outside the software itself. For example, if your computer has faulty hardware or if there is a network failure, troubleshooting the software will not help. You might need to check your hardware components or network connections instead. Next, consider the knowledge and tools you have. Effective troubleshooting requires a solid understanding of the software's architecture and behavior. If you lack the right expertise or tools, you may only be addressing symptoms, not the actual problem. In such cases, it might be best to consult with external experts who have the necessary skills. Another factor is the complexity of modern software systems. Often, software interacts with various hardware and network components. If there are misconfigurations or interdependencies, standard troubleshooting may not isolate the issue. For instance, a security application could be misconfigured, affecting network performance. Here, a broader approach is needed, including hardware diagnostics and network analysis. Some problems are due to permanent or structural defects in the software. These issues cannot be fixed by simple troubleshooting steps. They requiring debugging at the code level or even redesigning parts of the software. If the software vendor does not provide updates or fixes, troubleshooting alone will not resolve the issue. Documentation plays a vital role in troubleshooting. If the information available about symptoms and error messages is poor or incomplete, it can lead to guesswork. This makes it challenging to identify the real problem, and troubleshooting may not yield results. Lastly, consider resource constraints and time sensitivity. Sometimes, troubleshooting can be slow or resource-intensive, especially when the problem is urgent. In such cases, escalating the issue to specialized support or replacing faulty components might be more effective. To effectively master software debugging, it is essential to develop a systematic approach. Start by accurately identifying symptoms and gathering detailed information before attempting fixes. Use debugging tools to analyze code execution and pinpoint errors beyond surface-level symptoms. Employ hardware diagnostic and network analysis tools to rule out non-software causes. Recognize when to escalate issues to specialized developers or external experts. Maintaining clear documentation of problems and fixes can also improve future troubleshooting efforts. Understanding that some problems requiring code-level fixes or updates from software vendors is key. Troubleshooting is not always enough when issues originate from hardware, network, or systemic factors. Knowing these limits and applying the right techniques or seeking appropriate help is essential for effective debugging.